We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing an in-sink aerator. This is the Evolution Compact Series, 3/4 horse. You can see right here, Evolution, and then 3/4, 8-year warranty on that. Here's the disposal in place. What we did is we gave you new components starting back at the waste coming out of the wall. We made a transition to tubular plastic. So we got a tubular trap, tubular extension, up to a tubular telescoping kit. And so that's all ours. The tubular piping, the ABS coming out of the wall is yours. And of course the existing discharge hose, the 7/8 black hose you can see back up there coming down, that's yours as well. And we just tied it back into the disposal. Everything else comes with the unit and comes with a reset button, and of course a little tool right here in case it gets jammed. You take that and put it in the bottom and get it unjammed. Anyways, we run lots of water down this, no leaking. We've run it. It's quite a bit quieter than the moan that we had installed, so homeowner should be happy. Outside of that, this installation is done.